Hello, I'm Micks Mowers and welcome to the channel. Just a quick little video here on the 19th of December at 6:30 p.m. UK time. I'm going to be running my normal live stream. However, this is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be my pre-Christmas live stream, and at 7 p.m. UK time, I'm going to be inviting one or two special guests up onto the panel. My live streams are generally quite busy anyway, but this is going to be something very, very special that you're not going to want to miss. At 7 p.m. roughly UK time, there'll be one or two people come up onto the panel, as I say, and the people who I've invited up are going to be Mr. Martin Butler from Retro Restore, Retro Hacks and Butler's Empire channel. He's said here pop on up. Also Mr. Zippo Varga, he's also said here come along and come and have a quick little chat with us. Mr. Bruce Pinder from over in Canada, we all know Bruce, he's also a regular person up on my live streams. He's coming up as well, along with Double Wide 6, also he's turning up as well, which is absolutely fantastic. I've also got the Moa Medic has decided he wants to come on up as well. He reached out and said, I'd like to get involved in that, please, Mick. So definitely we've got the Moa Medic coming up as well. That's absolutely fantastic. And also we have Terrell Fixes All, Slippers and Junior turning up as well, which is absolutely brilliant. And one last person who has shown a lot of interest, he said he will try and pop up if he can. He's showing a lot of interest in it, and that's Henry from Mowers and Blowers. It would be absolutely fantastic if he can come on up. That would be absolutely brilliant. It will make my day. So we've got one or two others also in the wings that we're working on, but as of yet they have not confirmed, and they just can't commit to these sort of things. Don't forget, these people are YouTubers, creators, and they're making their own videos and also have a personal life also. So I don't really want to say yes, it is definitely confirmed. They are definitely coming up because things do change. However, there are one or two other people that have said they would like to come up as well also if they get the time, or they may just come into the chat and be able to chat with them in the chat. So don't forget to hit the old subscribe button, whack your bell, set your notifications to all. That way you'll get a notification when I go live. If you miss the notification, you'll have to watch it on playback, and the live stream just isn't the same if you're watching it on playback. So 19th of December, 6:30 p.m. UK time, and at 7:30 p.m. UK time, the fun really will begin. I look forward to seeing you on the live stream very, very soon. But until then, people, don't forget, much more importantly, take her easy.